has an infection on her toe. She managed to hit it and break the nail totally. And now she's using some magic wonder dust on it that looks fresh. So how does it feel?
Ay, 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 ay.
Alright, not good. As you can hear, not good. So these days started a bit different. Annika needs to go to the clinic. I looked at her toe and she was proposing that we went to Kata Beach to have some salt water in it. But it had turned a bit blue, like a really bad infection. So I used my say no card to her today and we went to the clinic. So we're at the clinic with Annika and her foot. It didn't look that good, so we have just arrived. I filled in some papers and stuff, and now we're just waiting for the doctor to take a look. And Annika is not feeling that good because she's more or less scared of the doctor. So let's see how it goes and how long time it takes and how much money it costs. And we looked at the homepage and it was black and white, so we took this place instead. It's an international clinic. They have all sorts of stuff you can do here, including health checkups with blood pressure checks and everything like that. And this is the actual bike that the doctor arrived on, so seems like the business is blooming. Okay, auntie? Yeah? So, Andaman Clinic. We can recommend it, of course. From we arrived to they actually removed her toenail. It took 25 minutes, and it costs 5,400 baht with medicine for 5 days, and we're gonna come here for daily cleaning for 4 or 5 days. Not a bad price for 25 minutes and surgery. So we're walking back. It's not that high speed Annika today, but she's fixed. So the result of this is actually a doctor's fee of 2,500. Ooh, that's expensive. Nail toe remove. They did only remove the nail, so that's a good thing. And some tablets after that. It was antibiotics and there was some anti-inflammatory stuff. So 5,400 baht. And as I said, it took around 25 minutes all in all. It's awesome, totally awesome. When it comes to service in this country, it is that good. If you're able to pay some money, if you're nice, you smile. Even the doctor came out afterwards and say, "Hey, give her some ice cream today. She needs it." And she doesn't like the doctor. She doesn't like needles. Of course, I don't either. I don't think anyone really do, except for maybe some extreme, fetish stuff. So that leads me into service. What kind of service can you expect in Thailand? And I must say, more or less any service that you want. You have taxi service, you have laundry service, you have tour service. In this condominium they have nannies, so if you need some child care, they will take care of your child. And you know, they love children here, so they will be well taken care of and well pampered, I can say that. They have cleaning service, of course, and every other service that you can actually, you know, think of. If you're coming here on a vacation and you need something, just ask. They will go over mountains to help you. Like we ordered a taxi just around the corner here, and the taxi guy wasn't there. He was a bit, you know, like 25 meters away, and 3 guys started shouting and you know, hello, taxi, 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 need taxi, quick, quick. So don't expect the Western style of you know, service, because when you're here, if you have a bit of money, you don't need much. Service is not expensive here. So all in all, for us today, it was 5,400 for the doctor and everything, as you saw, and it was 200 baht taxi ride, and you know, back and forth. So and it's not far, but and the taxi driver will most certainly ask you if it is a one-way or a turn trip. Now she's in for recovery, she's in the bed and just relaxing, and hopefully everything goes well with everything, and she gets well really soon. And we're going back tomorrow, so it's going to be an update tomorrow when we are going back to clean the wound and see how it looks. It didn't look that nice when I looked at it. It was, you know, it's no nail left. So he removed the nail after, you know, doing stuff with it, and just give us some shots of some nice anesthetics, and I think it went really good anyway. But you know, by all means, it's not fun to have toenail ripped off. But she didn't feel it actually when he removed it, because she didn't twist or nothing. So I don't think she knew what was happening, really happening, at that exact moment. Because that your nail is gone, and of course the doctor shows her the nail. It's so funny with that. You know, if you do some massage service or massage here, you know, real massage, nothing else, then if you have a foot scrape or something, they love to show you how much they have removed from your foot. For some reason, they just love it. And you know, I don't want to see what's been under my foot. And surely Annika didn't want to see her nail, and he was proud at showing that. Doctor was good. He arrived on a motorbike right after we got there, and really good English, and explained, you know, what he was going to do and everything. It's going to hurt, of course, and then he said, I'm going to push and you know, try to feel until you don't feel. If you can feel that I'm touching, but you don't feel any pain, then it's okay. Then we can remove the nail, and that's what they did. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. And hopefully everything goes well, because in this humid, hot country, infections are not to take lightly. And I think actually Annika learned something today too, and I learned something today, of course. So all in all, I think she's pretty happy. She would have been happier if she didn't hit her foot in the bed, but you know, stuff happens. Life goes on, right? I would also like to remind you of the prices. Prices are Falang prices. It's foreigner prices. You pay a lot more than a Thai person would do, and I'm of that opinion that that's correct. If you haven't paid taxes in this country, sure, you buy drinks, you buy food and everything else, but you don't pay tax. At least you get excellent service, and you just pay for it. When I was talking about massages, an oil massage is actually around 300-400 baht here, which is pretty expensive, I would say. It is worth the price. It's an hour, and they will almost murder you with their arm, with the elbows and knees and stuff. And the bigger you are, the harder they're gonna treat you. So I'm not small. I'm half fat, not a small guy, and they usually look at me and say, let's bring on the cavalry and they get the strongest one they have, like they did yesterday. The smallest, they're really small, usually female. If you don't want a male, you can actually, some places have male masseuses too, but don't underestimate Thai people when it comes to strength in any way, in any form, in any situation, and I mean that literally mean that, and not in just a massage place. Be nice here, otherwise you're gonna learn the hard way what it means to not respect Thai people. Subscribe, like, dislike. If you like Thailand, you should like it. Subscribe now.